In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write H2O in Google Docs. If you need to type a chemical formula correctly in a document, this is a quick and easy formatting trick to know. In chemistry, the number in H2O should appear slightly lower than the regular text, which is called subscript. Google Docs makes this simple once you know where to find the option. First, open your Google Docs document. You can use an existing file or start with a blank document, whichever works best for you. Make sure your cursor is placed where you want the formula to appear so the text goes in the correct spot right away. Next, type H2O exactly as you normally would using your keyboard. At this stage, the number 2 will look like regular text, so it won't yet have the proper scientific formatting. That's completely fine, because the next step is what changes it. Now highlight only the number 2. Be careful to select just that character and not the H or the O. This matters because you only want the 2 to be lowered into subscript, while the letters stay at the normal text level. Taking an extra second here helps make sure the final result looks clean and correct. Once the 2 is selected, go to the top menu in Google Docs and click Format. From there, move to Text and then choose Subscript. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will apply the formatting to the highlighted character. You'll now see the text change from H2O to H2O. That small visual change is exactly what you want, and it makes the formula look professionally formatted and scientifically accurate. If you plan to type more chemical formulas after this, this is a useful technique to remember. Anytime a number needs to appear lower than the rest of the text, the subscript option is the tool to use. It's especially helpful for school assignments, lab reports, science notes, or any document where proper notation matters. And that's all there is to it. Open your document, type H2O, highlight the 2, go to Format, then Text, then Subscript, and your formula will instantly display correctly as H2O. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you format chemical formulas more easily in Google Docs.